Have you ever noticed people often chase the person who gives them the least attention? Because too much availability slowly reduces your value in their eyes. And the moment you stop giving constant access, people begin feeling your absence. Here are 5 powerful ways to become emotionally stronger and naturally attract respect. 1. Stay focused on your own life. A person with purpose naturally becomes attractive. Busy people don't chase attention, they build value. And when your life becomes meaningful, your time automatically becomes rare, because people respect those who are focused on themselves. 2. Stop replying instantly. Constant availability removes mystery. When you answer every message immediately, people stop valuing your attention. But a little distance quietly changes the dynamic. Because silence often speaks louder than quick replies. 3. Protect your boundaries. The moment you learn to say no, people begin understanding your worth. Without boundaries, kindness turns into convenience. And those who respect themselves quietly usually receive more respect from others too. 4. Speak less, observe more. Quiet people often leave the strongest impression, because mystery creates curiosity. The less you reveal about yourself, the more people think about you. And listening carefully is a power most people never develop. 5. Become your own source of happiness. The people who depend completely on others for happiness often lose themselves trying to keep people close. But confidence, independence, and self-respect create a different kind of energy, because the moment you stop needing constant validation, people begin seeing your value differently. When you stop chasing people, they stop feeling so comfortable losing you. And when you learn to enjoy your own company, your presence becomes more powerful. Because real attraction begins the moment you stop abandoning yourself for attention.